Comrade Machacha's statement is a textbook example of the political dishonesty that has destroyed Zimbabwe's institutions and insulted the intelligence of its citizens. He dresses up a deeply compromised process in a constitutional language, but no amount of polished phrasing can disguise a power project that is being forced through the back door. The retired generals and senior civil servants sworn in is not an act of rebellion, Comrade Machacha. It is rather an act of patriotic alarm. Karibu subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina mashkwana buda shitoko panapa na retired Dio Shepard Mpeswe. Unodanyira chiti I mean Comrade Machacha's reports to Air Marshal retired Andrew Buchena and fellow retired senior officers attempts to project constitutional order, institutional integrity and procedural legitimacy. However, beneath its polished language lies a familiar pattern that has come to define Zimbabwe's current governance crisis: the defense of ideal principles that are systematically ignored in practice. Comrade Machacha's appeal to facts, constitutional reasoning, and respect of institutions would carry weight in a country where institutions still function independently and where constitutionalism is more than a public relations slogan. However, Zimbabwe is not being governed on the basis of constitution, but it is being governed through intimidation, secrecy, fear, patronage, and selective legality. That is the reality Comrade Machacha refuses to confront. He asks three supposedly simple questions: whether the process is constitutional, whether institutions are acting lawfully, and whether citizens were consulted. Those questions are not the problem. The problem is that answers in Zimbabwe are obviously to everyone except those defending the abuse of power. Yes, Comrade Machacha, the Constitution provides for amendment, but it does not provide for manipulation, circumvention, or the deliberate abuse of parliamentary numbers to force through changes that lack genuine public consent. It does not allow a ruling elite to pretend that a deeply contested proposal is legitimate merely because it can mobilize a captured legislature. Where a referendum is required, the law must be followed. Where the people must be consulted, the people must be consulted meaningfully, not state managed. Doma developments are kuda pangwa ino. Pena comment section metu mzafungura enyi motu kudipa msepe chitu kwechi. Subscribe or like, punch on the bell icon.